Good morning. My name is Jason Johnson, and I'm with Focus Counseling and Therapy in Daphne. The other day, I was sitting with a friend, and they noticed me just being quiet and asked me, "Jason, is there something wrong? What are you thinking?" And I realized that I couldn't tell them. I told them it was about something about work. And of course, in my field, everything that my clients tell me is confidential. Now, I love the work that I do. It has been an amazing experience and an amazing journey. I have seen people with severe anxiety over various types of situation learn how to cope with it, learn how to adapt to situations so it's no longer dysfunctional for them, it's no longer distressing for them. I have seen individuals work through terrible traumas and process them and come out of the other side and be able to achieve things they want to achieve where they had felt stuck before. I have seen relationships that have been on the brink of just falling apart coming back together again. I have seen individuals who were addicted to maybe might not even be a substance, but to a behavior because of the way they think and the thought process they had when they were little children and always had it, and they learn how to adapt and learn how to cope in their life and are thus doing better. That makes it worth it. I love this work. I enjoy working with people. It's an absolute pleasure and an honor. But one thing you come to realize is that you spend a career where you are helping people overcome pain. You're helping people to adapt and to cope to situations. You're helping people to change maladaptive or problematic behaviors. And if you care, if your therapist is good, your therapist cares about you. Now, there's a certain professional distance that must be maintained, of course, but you're going to care that the symptoms that they're feeling are going to lessen and that whatever distress they have is going to lower and dysfunction is going to lower. And that's what we do, and that is the goal of therapy. But the challenge comes in with the therapist is that sometimes we spend all our time doing this and it can weigh on our shoulders because we care. We're human. We're going to. But I thought to myself, you know, I need someone I can talk to that that's in a safe place, someplace, someone that I like, that I feel comfortable talking to, and also one where I can absolutely have confidentiality and talk about some of the things that are going on with me. Talk about some of the troubling issues that I have learned about that I have had to really deal with in providing therapy. Maybe learning about some dysfunctions that I may not even realize that I have that could impact my therapy, or any type of dysfunctions that I might not be aware of because of dealing with such intense issues, and even maybe dangers that I may be putting myself in because sometimes it does get stressful. And I remember one of my college professors saying therapists get therapy. And if you talk to anybody who's been in therapy for a long time, that they come to know this, that as a therapist, you are at some point going to get therapy. You need to. It helps you to become a good therapist, a better therapist, and that's what I plan on doing so that I can be that therapist that the clients I have now and the new clients I'll have in the future, that I'll be the most effective therapist that I can be. Because it's not just talking, it's not just listening. I mean, you're being a guide. You are walking with this individual. You are helping them develop treatment plans. You are helping them to accomplish goals, learn, and to adapt, to cope to situations. You're helping them to change and to modify certain behaviors. And you need to be on top of your game. And so, as a therapist, it's good to get therapy also. I could almost think of it as even a race car needs to go to the shop sometimes and gets its wheels and transmission and everything checked out. So I just wanted to let you know that and share that with you. I appreciate your time. If you want to know more, you can go to my website at jjohnsoncounseling.com, or you can email me at jjohnson@jjohnsoncounseling.com, or you can call me at 251-307-5338. Thank you for your time, and have a great week. And if you are off Friday, then have a wonderful, safe, long weekend. Take care.